Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm finally making a follow-up video. This 174 beacon light right here that I've been kind of working on. I made some previous videos of it, of me slowly working on this. First video was me building this skirt right here. Now what it is, I went to a pet store and actually found a dog dish that actually fit over this thing really good. I cut the bottom out of it so it could slide over top of the dome really good. Cut the little lip off here, put a gasket on here to cover the sharp edges, plus also give myself a nice finished look on the bottom. And then ordered this badge right here from a company off of eBay. Now, in that video, I did leave a link in the description on where you can find those if you have one of these and you're looking for a replacement piece. The second video was me taking a motor from a twin sonic light bar and modifying it by making it to where it had studs and all that stuff to be able to bolt to the carriage that's on these beacon rays, because they actually bolt on differently from a twin sonic to the way these are. And I was able to make it work, and it worked out really good. And at the end of that video, I showed the carriage, doing its thing. Now I got, the dome on there. I got everything all done. I got all my little gasket stuff made, light bulbs in it. So I'm going to turn it on, show you what it looks like. And there we go. All done, ready to go. Now I just got to put it up on the shelf, hook it to my power system with the rest of my light bars so it can be up on display. Overall, I like the way this one came out. It actually works really nice. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me comment on what you think. Thanks for watching.